Welcome to the Honest Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious and futuristic motorhomes ever created. The $200,000 Ford Motorhome of the future. This is more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile smart home packed with cutting-edge technology, premium finishes, and enough off-grid capability to take you almost anywhere in total comfort. Over the next 30 minutes, we'll walk through every corner of this incredible machine, from the tech under the hood to the heated floors inside. Whether you're an RV enthusiast, a future full-timer, or just love great design, this tour and review is for you. Let's start with the exterior design. From the ground up, this motorhome has been crafted for both performance and presence. It's built on a Ford Transit, or F550 chassis, which means it's got the bones of a dependable, powerful workhorse. But what sets it apart is how it's dressed. You've got sleek, automotive-style body panels, integrated LED running lights, and a full solar array built right into the roofline. These aren't just slapped on. They're engineered into the build for maximum efficiency and minimal drag. Walking around the vehicle, we notice the smartly hidden compartments for storage, hookups, and utilities. The outdoor kitchen pulls out from one of these compartments and includes an induction burner, sink with hot water, and a compact fridge. Perfect for tailgates, campouts, or even just making a quick cup of coffee with a view. Next to that, you'll find the powered awning, which extends silently and automatically adjusts for wind. Built-in LED lighting means you can enjoy your outdoor space even after dark. Let's step inside. The first thing that hits you is how open and light it feels. The designers have used large panoramic windows, white and soft-toned materials, and smart LED lighting to make the space feel much bigger than it is. The floors are heated, the lighting responds to voice commands, and the climate system keeps everything perfect automatically. Every inch of this interior is a blend of style and practicality. You've got a large L-shaped sectional couch that converts into a bed and has storage underneath. In front of it is a multi-purpose table that raises, lowers, or stows away completely, depending on how you want to use it. Across from the couch, a massive OLED TV rises from the cabinetry and is paired with a built-in surround sound system. This is your home theater, your meeting room, your dinner space, whatever you need it to be. The kitchen is next level. We're talking a flush-mounted dual-burner induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator with an internal camera and Wi-Fi connection, a deep basin stainless steel sink with a pull-down faucet, and more storage than some apartments. Every cabinet is soft close. There are LED strips under each counter. Even the garbage and recycling bins are built in and pull out with a nudge of the knee, and everything is run through the central smart system. One main touchscreen lets you monitor and control every part of the RV. Battery usage, solar charge input, water tank levels, heating, cooling, lights, and even your entertainment system. It all syncs to a smartphone app too, so you can manage it remotely. Opposite the kitchen is a flexible work-couch dining area. It's a table with two benches that can convert into a bed, but each bench also has built-in power outlets, storage drawers, and even a hidden pop-up monitor if you're working remotely. This motorhome isn't just for vacations. It's built for people who live, work, and travel full-time. Let's move into the rear section, the bedroom and bathroom. The queen-sized bed has a premium memory foam mattress, reading lights, and USB-C ports on both sides. Under the bed is hidden storage. Above it are overhead cabinets with push-button latches. One of the smartest features is the way this bedroom can close off completely from the rest of the vehicle, giving you real privacy. Now for the bathroom. And this is where things get surprisingly luxurious. The shower is glass-enclosed, with rainfall and handheld heads, tile walls, and a built-in bench. Water temperature is digitally controlled, and the system remembers your preferred settings. The sink area features a backlit mirror with a defogger and touch controls, and the toilet is a water-saving composting model that's completely odorless and easy to empty. There's even a built-in washer-dryer unit tucked inside a cabinet next to the sink. Now let's talk about driving. When you're behind the wheel, it feels surprisingly easy to handle for something this size. That's because of the adaptive steering, air suspension, and Ford's suite of driver assist features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. The driving cockpit feels like a luxury SUV, not a truck. And both front seats swivel around to become part of the living space when parked. What makes this motorhome future-ready is how sustainable it is. The solar array is capable of powering the battery system enough for days off-grid. There's also an ultra-quiet generator for backup, and the onboard climate system is a high-efficiency heat pump. Combined with thermal insulation and dual-pane windows, it's energy-smart in both summer and winter. You might be wondering, what kind of real-world experience do owners have with this setup? We spoke with several people who've been using theirs for over a year. One couple told us they haven't paid for a campground or utility hookup in months. They've boondocked across the western US and used the solar and battery system to run everything from the fridge to laptops to air conditioning. Another owner, a freelance graphic designer, works full-time from their mobile office. They said it's the most productive they've ever been, and the views are better than any cubicle. There are challenges too. Because of the complexity of the tech systems, new owners often need a bit of training or a learning curve to fully understand everything. Some had early issues with software glitches, but most of these were fixed with over-the-air updates. The good news is that customer support is often just a phone call or app message away. Maintenance is another factor. Because it's packed with electronics, you'll want to make sure any service center you visit is familiar with high-end systems. But the good news is, the Ford chassis is extremely reliable and easy to service nationwide. Let's talk numbers. At $200,000, this isn't an entry-level RV. But when you factor in the cost of full-time living, housing, travel, utilities, entertainment, it can make sense for the right person or couple. And the resale value on these luxury rigs is typically strong, especially if well-maintained. Customization is a major selling point. Buyers can choose colors, finishes, layouts, and technology packages. Some add an extra battery pack. Others opt for more workspace or swap out the second seating area for additional storage. It's not a one-size-fits-all product. It's tailored to you. To wrap up, this motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a glimpse into what the future of mobile living looks like. Whether you're planning to escape the city, work from the road, or just travel without limits, this Ford-based smart RV offers a lifestyle that's hard to beat. Thanks for sticking with us through this full 30-minute deep dive. If you enjoyed the tour and review, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-tech travel content, and let us know in the comments. Would you live full-time in a motorhome like this? What feature impressed you most? Until next time, safe travels and stay curious.